I don't know about you, but I always wanted a salt and pepper gun. So I put together these bad boys. I got the idea from this hand drill. It is perfect for the job. OpenSCAD can replicate the spiral easy, just a few lines of code will do the trick. And call me crazy, but I did the rest with Tinkercad. Here I show the orientation it's meant to be printed. Nothing fancy, standard settings. I did mine with Raft, of course, and 20% infill. And this inside part, with wall line count, 3. Now the assembly. Put the trigger and the inside part together, the rail is your guide. Start with the super glue, inside the rail, and around it. Just slide the inside part with the trigger to place. An important step. Oil the moving and sliding parts. I used sunflower oil. Here on the front, it's very important. You can put the rubber band, just like this. Put a generous amount of super glue on upper side of the trigger, and just slide the top part to its place. And, you are basically done. Load the salt or pepper on the front, and just place the cap. You are ready to go. The issues I found is that, when loading the gun, the salt can go in between the cylinders and can block it. To fix that I run some water around it and oil it again. The other issue is that, you cannot take it apart. If the rubber band fails, for example, you have to break it to get it apart. I hope you like it. Download link below.